na Outspa Show era VTFM. Vito Konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM Ekamida Gaikachi.
Hey, and welcome to Outspa Show.
Yeah.
On this beautiful Wednesday morning.
Ha.
We say to all our friends tuning in this morning, all over the country, and we say mbulare to all the gang in Mbua.
Oh yeah.
Ramoro Yomaya namataka Rikua. Kali wambia na mbongi
Liwa.
liwa na mbongi
So kali.
ni ndo mbona kana bitoka na matari kuwa
Singa buga lulu bega na mbongi.
Iyo.
ndi wambia na mbongi
Iyo tina.
Kundu
Iyo.
mbacha
Right.
Yeah, matala ni kuwa sambo kumbata dira sara.
Sara kemana sih nonton muni mata you are not supposed to be the colding.
I'm colding. I'm the one.
Yeah.
The body texture is a bit
Vin. Vic.
Nine.
No nai.
Hey, myself early in the morning I don't feel the mata.
you thicker.
Yeah, but this morning very cold.
Yeah.
I take the blanket.
Yeah.
When I was laying down on the midnight,
Yeah.
I was very cold.
Yeah.
And I was sad like this. I saw Elizabeth.
Yeah.
No, Elizabeth, never mind, is on that blanket.
Yeah.
He's still cold.
Oh.
So I take the blanket
Yeah.
and I cover all of her.
Us.
Yeah, me and her. Me and her.
Right.
Cover.
Yung kasi nonton mo mata. Ni wapa ko bilang tu.
No, now it's very
You the teddy bear
Iyo.
of the house.
Berarti ko na kuli ne baba ko.
Yeah.
Rede baba kuli ne baba ko and then kini mata.
Nalaman ko naman. One of my grandfather was drinking grog in the village.
Yeah.
Drinking grog, and he said, "Oh, all the people was like, tuniko ya?
Yeah.
Hey, pusa, kanidhasan mo iko.
Yeah.
Look sa kanidhasan, ridasan mo kani.
Right.
Sinimbero ko ya. Nakani tuo, nusili to ita eta osera wa akani broga.
Yeah, mbona John Kumar and also to Nawanga. Greeting all from California. Rachel King's friend. Mil Netherlands, we are blessed Wednesday. Penny Man Matalau, we are Sarah Nawanga. And also to everybody, Koroi Kodi. Avoni Vinatu Vengarabi and Mataka Vinaka Nikua.
Yeah.
To all the drivers out there, to all the parents, guardian, to all the mbumbus, the tutus, and also to everyone joining from the outer island of Fiji.
Isa.
From the forestry of Fiji, and also to the roadside of Fiji,
Right.
and also to the
Seaside.
overseas base, seaside of Fiji. Thank you very much for joining this morning. Some of us will be liking, Isa,
Yeah.
I'm lonely today.
Yeah.
Because of the kids, maybe they spend their holidays, 2 weeks break with them. Now they are leaving. They are alone now.
Yeah.
Isa, when I see the river, I think of my grandson.
Isa.
When I see the clothes, when I see the horse, I think of my...
Ningon ni sila kaya kadip mata kan may katalaw.
Right.
Ran sar lesili.
Oh,
Kocha rale kadip tal mer masikaliw.
hindi na Sara.
And likewise, if you in the village,
Yeah.
and when one of your nephew or
Yeah.
son came to the village, from Suba to the village, or Lambasa to the village, or any town,
Yeah.
to the village, oh, if you have your horse, you will headache.
Hindi na sar.
Yeah.
If you have a horse,
Yeah.
you will headache. Because early in the morning, uncle, please,
Yeah.
I want to go and change the horse.
Kamantang
Yeah.
Riding the
Rama
horse.
kuto ira.
Yes.
Kamantang ko may bali.
Masili manawasi.
Kamantang ko may bali when I was there in the village.
Yeah.
When you kapend them like this, 6 o'clock when the first bus go.
Yeah.
The fella in the river.
Yeah, right.
Rumito na Sicily. Ang kay kinta dalam dari singa sa tombo ka tuminto na ikaw. Ang ko tombo kami bata. How did you caught the fish?
Ah.
And the fella said, "Gay way mada tunaway."
Yeah,
Sabon
yeah.
dentesa nga sinibutong bitunaw.
Yeah.
And the fella caught the fish. Go na matanggali ka na si sere. Wanda ukan rin ito mukha kilang ko.
Yeah.
And the fella caught, I was like this, "Hey, how did you caught the fish?"
Yeah.
I just go like this on the side of the river and pick the fish from there. Every morning doing the changing of the mbul Macau.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sara. But still, I can't believe that Messi went to the village and play in the village team.
So you have to admit it.
Boy,
Tell the
sa
story.
sir mambuta ya.
Yeah.
What the kid? Tell us why you have to Jesse. We have to Jesse.
As soon as I reach
But
on...
because because the photo that we saw,
Yeah.
you wearing two Jesse.
Double up or
Your
one
Tavala
side,
was the
one side?
first one to notice the Jesse.
So on Friday,
Yeah.
I leave the show, Suba show.
Yeah.
Suba show going na Toby right to Namboalu.
Showbas.
So pa siguro na makausa. So we reach like 10:30 in Namboalu.
Yeah.
Nambol one carrier there, then we go right home.
Yeah.
Lunchtime we break there.
Yeah.
So the boys tell us, okay, after this we go and playing touch at Ratupeni Neumi infant school.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nakawakawa.
Yeah.
So we went there and play there. So when we play on the Friday,
Yeah.
you know, it's very, very shameful when you run like this long time, no
Yeah.
training.
Yeah.
Or not even touch, playing touch. So we went. They said, hey, tomorrow is a club game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So everybody will be going to Ratuluke Memorial School.
Ground.
We'll play there. So we went. You'll play today? I said, no, I'm unfit.
Yeah.
So I go together with the boys. With the boys from the Red Fish team and the Waivure team. So they combine. So we name it the Red Water.
Yeah.
So we go.
Wait, dam.
Yeah, Windham. So when we go to play at
Wait,
the
dam ini Cornivia.
cross cut. So we went there when we doing that. I was not supposed to play.
Yeah.
So when I was there halftime,
Yeah.
like the feeling of the game is inside me.
So you catch the feeling.
Catch a feeling.
Yeah.
I was like this.
You
I want to play.
Masukin Renre.
You
Yeah.
was
Because the girls were cheering.
I was like this. No, I want to play. I called Tomasi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Borrow your jersey.
Yeah.
Borrow your jersey and your footwear.
Yeah.
Jauh, inside.
No headgear.
Footpath.
Ayaw saling gitu. When I do that gitu, tarong ito, ayaw tutuda ba?
Yeah.
At kung no, Tomas, kung nga nagtutumakaw, ayaw mo sana life. Awang gomerto na ilang tunggo, doon na numatikon, doon na numap. Keep it this in mind.
Yeah.
Not that Demesi.
Yeah.
That Demesi on this is an Demesi.
Yeah.
Tumo na kailan ko sa dulo.
Tumo na kaya. Aw
Sa
sabi
na nga matugo. Ganito rin lang masalah ka sa palingan.
Malabe kambi. Aw sabi di Loma.
Eh, naman kami sa maso. Okay?
Aw sabi di Loma, sige di mag-isa mo ngayon na mic. Sabang orto na turangan ni Banua. Orto tuway nunu. Orto na bibilingan ni Pingkarap. Hey! Hindi! Juan ni Kio! Lako may kati-kati bagi. Aw bang Jose nga ubiyan gito. Aw gito lako lang gito. Tiyaw man ni Leifos nga ura habek. Aw ngayon gito tiwa sa sinibero Thomas Biaw. Hindi. Lako muri le fullback. Aw ba ko boy? Ay tungko sini de muri na polo. Nggak kila na polo na daw tangke mesa daw tangke na bunuala la. Yo fullback mo ngai de muri tu na bunuala le kina polo. Aw ko Thomas.
Fullback ko tamayabu. Orto please ki may orto may sanandua. Ko makasih dito may nanoa.
Lai keto manitaka na matani. Keto matay ni tong kita si
But
Brian.
could you represent the...
Yeah, I want to represent my village team. I want to represent
the...
the...
Ako turun ko tawa ta zera timbiu.
Yeah.
Ako ko lay prop sara.
Ni keto sa lakon yang kay lele na boys eh.
Yeah.
Keto kay combine ti ko patikerto na we kanto may waivure team na kawakawa.
Yeah.
Sang kay John kina team isa na Red Water.
Yeah.
Red Fish wat kina waivure.
Yeah.
Oh, ndo naka
Awa ala scrum mo ilima na mita. Sa chuna kud merto da kaba.
Yeah.
And ko sa tarago na ka na polo. Levo ko me kasar to kasar men na dava na lus men misan dua. Mora kirto merto ready to give on dunia.
Ganito na lega. Dale luto na tambangko.
Oi.
Sige ni way emosi.
Well, I want to ask Lutu why. Dava drop kid na tambam.
Ndo na yan.
Dota ni bebedu mo.
Dota na bedu mo. Iyo.
Nangono sale halfback kina.
Iya.
Nangono sa tukun kina le halfback ndo na kodia.
Iya.
Sali da kana scrum gay da kami kana na pil gay roleru aro on mai.
Iya.
Roleru ang gay samutan tambang mawi.
Oi.
Oti asya sartu ni mosi. Nangono sale oti kin nang gito song gay baka samatak. Eh mosi na tambang. Artung gay tukun senga ndo na masela, senga sindro na masela mo sar kami loma.
Iya. Ya pangaruh bantu na may sulen dakum.
Sulen dakum na baba.
Baka bisa mantap ramai. Kesulitan tamu, kesulitan ko.
Sama ka tu nangaw na Nicolingo. When he was there, I was like this. And another thing, sa pas tu main dola pula.
We are so proud
Iyo.
of you, Demis.
Sa rau duru mai kitong gay join bata bat kero na dorobo ni kumbulau. Kitong main gitu bata. Kitong kila ni kabu
Iya.
Sa dola rosa luka rua.
Bawa na kata mo drop goal.
Roma tango. Sa dola rosa luka
Ito
rua.
kita besar nga.
Sa dola rosa luka rua. Au sa bamba, au sa bango.
Kusima ko ya.
Au sa bango nei rau. Bonito boleh mo langke. Sa rola. Sulia maybe au kamba so
All the
mata.
boys, they know you very well. They know your technique.
Iyo sabi na kata mo drop goal.
Iya.
When you saw your leg, when you saw it to
Au
them.
ni sa bamba, au sa kan bale.
Iya.
Au bango ono bitu ndo bamba iliu. Berto na didi mai. I want to drop goal.
And then what happened?
Salah ko main gitar ako nang ni kumbulong ko sini pa si my boy. Mo solia mai o maadake. Darbongor level na tingnan mata team ni Mbua. All the best to the Mbua team for facing the counter of Tuesday and Saturday.
So everyone knows that your technique, it's show them that you want to kick.
Guys, you let
So they pass it to the boy
and
from
Thomas
Kumbulong.
he give me a boot that does not match my size. My size is size 8 on the boot. And he give me like 10 and a half.
Oi.
I said, Thomas, no boy, no. I want to play, so
Tahu
you...
tahu na Jesse pa sustal naman ni boot.
Alam mo ko na rambon na safety boot. And I was like, thank you very much. Don't know usutulebu to all the boys.
And you when he was running,
Yeah.
and everybody was cheer from outside.
Iya.
Tauru, anda.
I was like this playing and many of our tabale was watching the Rotona tabale ngortona lewat tangan ni. Atau mereka, nambor rusa kabuluro. Aku mau tunjuk sini nambor rusa kabuluro. Nambor rusa kabuluro. Banggo kuana bakauro nawai meloma. Iya, very marutaka for the live. And also to zona usutule when kena pador na club game. One of the main thing that for the club game is to reduce and cut the bakawang bokotaka na isino to drugs.
Oh, warna mekena tim ya?
Iyo mekena tim me munduki na kena sangay me boluti na wengang na bibo
Kaya naman
matintakis.
tayo nga nabi mo matini taki
Mera bakaw sustaki na taro. Sing wala not focus on the rugby side and also to the netball team.
Wana na.
Oh, the girls.
Padu ni rebe ke mni to ko na durbu ke na lewa. And buku ni nomor itu takati ko na theme ni sot-sota. And bi muni madao pakartu sa pakator chino kada tu membua. And na vida na singa na vida na madao sauti.
Thankful to Lucio Tawoli for giving for sponsor the money.
Thank you.
To the challenge every time. This week will be in Dombui. Dombui the team from Daria.
All right. Kono ni re.
Yes,
Mes
now
Nasalu.
Mes Nasalu. Today,
Yeah.
I realized that you can speak Konolebu dialect well.
Sichi.
I don't know why.
Napos ba tele tutu patatungan napos ba bis nga
Sa
sa
bara
But
Yeah.
you
Yali bangge.
Iyo. Speak then fluent. Like from the Kondrome side. Not Ambua.
Rambu ya takondro beroro binaka
Iyo.
binaa. Lako lao
Iyo.
Iyo.
sama umbuwa nga heje.
Lakotu.
Lako tu na baba.
Oh, mbuo nga heje?
Iyo
Yeah.
heje.
Iya.
Bakango kotamay haamay.
Ha amay.
Kuni tau sesen.
Kun taw sisi ni kun taw lasu-lasu.
Iya. Natapa na lasu-lasu ba mbuo lambas?
Rawai.
Siachi.
Riri.
Doriri.
Tono po sige
Sema,
tulo siya.
sema.
Grimit siya daw.
Girmit
Oh,
ko na olendey.
Mirkuti.
Merikuti.
Girmit ko na olendey.
Is atani rani kampulo binaka may tao binaka siya sumaya.
Port Vila.
May Port Vila Vanuatu. Nung
Hey.
kampulo binaka makarsetu nga may na BTFM.
Yanra.
Nang bulo binaka penyo duway kay tumbuna kaludaba. Wen kiti na ibalu tunang bulan bulo binaka naisau.
Oh.
Binabalo siya sumaya sa tusada ba?
Tono mo naka.
Pano ni binaka?
Binabalo
Dahil hataka, siya don dalay na matabi na ni Kuya, nabito ko ni Binod Patel, abate kay Punjes, celebrating 90 years.
Go